Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 2 solar bamboo lights. This is such a unique piece. I mean, this is so different than any other solar light that I've seen, and it's pretty easy to put together. It does all come in separate little pieces, but it's all around pretty simple. All you've got to do is take these little pieces, and then you just notch them in the top and in the bottom. And then once we get it all put together, we just sit the light inside there, turn it on, and let the sun do the rest of the work. So I'm going to put all this together, then we will get the light in. So putting these in, I mean, you just got to apply just a little bit of force on both sides, and then it goes right into place. So then whenever you move it around, those little sticks don't fall out. But this is all weather rated, so you can leave it all outside. Once you get that all in there, they do give you 1 extra. You can set this up, and then you have your nice big light bulb with your solar panel on top. You peel that off, press your on and off to turn on that solar. Then we just sit it down, let the sun do the rest of the work. And I love how easy it is just to take this thing in and out. So if you did want to have this like a night light inside, you can just take this out, let it sit out in the sun all day, charge up, put it inside a room as a nice little reading lamp or whatever you're wanting to do. So I'm going to let the sun do its work, and we'll come back out tonight. We are now out at dark, and these things look so neat. I love how they make this cool pattern all in the ground around them. And they provide such a nice light that you can have out to sit around the pool deck and enjoy a nice time outside, maybe even having dinner. I also love that you can just turn them off. It's not an automatic where you've got to have them on. You can charge them up and then turn them off and take them inside. These are really cool lights. I really like the features of them, and they look really neat to just have them out for a decoration.